How are you, Amy?
I'm good. Thank you.
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. What are you doing?
I'm studying.
Are you studying? Okay. Are you having a good day? Is your day nice? All right. We're gonna do lesson 6 today. So if you have your book, you can open your book. Otherwise, you can just look on the computer. So do you see the lesson? What is the lesson's name today? Paper airplane, yes. And if we look at the picture, that is sentence number 1 and sentence number 2, and A and B. So can you read number 1, please? Amy, can you read number 1, please?
Just
Can you read number 1?
then make a card with paper. Alicia.
Yes, good. I can make a cone with paper, Alicia says. And is that picture A or picture B?
Is picture I.
Yes, well done. That is correct. Well done. And can you read number 2, please?
The is a big circle. Your house size.
Yes, and is that picture A or picture B?
Is picture B.
Yes, because why? Look, so there's the boy and the teacher, and the sentence is the earth is like a big circle. So that is earth, and it looks like a circle. And number 1, I can make a cone with paper. There is the cone. See, there's the cone. Okay. So I'm going to show you a video clip, and then we'll start the lesson. Okay, so let's watch the video.
Who's that snoring? These are the shapes. Ah, they're asleep. I've got an idea. Let's wake them up. Rise and shine, come on. Hey, take it away. What are the squares going to make? Can you guess? It's an elephant. Well done, Square. Time to get back on the shelf.
Okay, so did you watch the video, Amy? So we're talking about shapes today. Okay, so let's go. So what do you see in the picture, Amy? Who's that? What do you see in the picture, Amy? Who's that?
Boy.
It's a boy.
Paper.
Yes, and he's doing a paper aeroplane. And does the boy look happy?
Yes.
Okay, why do you think the boy is happy? Why is he happy?
First, make the paper airplane.
Yes, because he made a paper aeroplane. Well done. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna ask you to read, or I will read for you, and then I'm gonna ask you to read as well. Okay, so I will start. The story's name is Paper Aeroplane. So, paper aeroplanes can teach us about shapes. Start with a square piece of paper. Squares have 4 equal sides. Fold the square in half and open it. Now there are 2 rectangles. Rectangles have 4 sides, but 2 are longer than the others. So here, who's that? That's a boy. And what is this? What is that? What is that?
That is a paper.
It's a paper, yes, but what shape is the paper? What shape is the paper? The paper is a square. So the story is saying, fold the square in half. So that's the square, and then you fold the square in half. Then it says, now there are 2 rectangles. Here's one rectangle, and there's another rectangle. Okay. Then, next, fold the right corner to the center. That makes a triangle with 3 sides. Do that with the left corner too. Then fold the corners of the new triangles. Now fold the plane in half. Finally, fold the wings back the other way. Now it's ready to fly. So it says you must fold triangles, and a triangle is like that. It's got 1, 2, 3 sides, a triangle. And then you must fold the wings back, and then you can throw the paper aeroplane. So, Amy, can you read this for me, please?
Paper airplane counting on a button. Start with a square piece of paper where have 4 equal sides. the snake in half and open it. Now there are two rectangles. Rectangles have four sides, but two are longer than the other.
Yes, good.
Next, for the right corner to the center. Let's make a triangle with three sides. Do that with the left corner too. Then for the corner of the new triangle. Now fold the plate in half. Finally, fold the wings back the other way. Now it's ready to fly.
Yes, well done. Your reading is very good, Amy. Well done. So the story is about a paper aeroplane and how to make a paper aeroplane. Well done. So let's see. So what else can you make with paper, Amy? What do you think? What else can you make an aeroplane? What else can you use to make an aeroplane instead of paper? Okay, so I'm going to show you some pictures and then you can tell me, what does this look like, Amy? What does this look like? What is this? It's a paper rabbit, yes, well done. And what does this look like?
A paper bird.
Yes, a paper bird, good. And then what does this look like? Does this look like flowers? So this is a paper flower. Okay, so you can make a lot of things. All these things you can make with paper, and not just aeroplane, but you can make a paper rabbit, a paper bird, and paper flowers. Okay. So let's start with the questions. So, what is the passage mainly about? What is the story mainly about, Amy?
The house is about making an airplane with paper.
Yes, well done, making a paper aeroplane, good. And then, what shape can you see when you fold a square in half? What shape can you see when you fold a square? If you take a square and you fold it in half, what do you get? 2. So we're speaking about squares, rectangles, and triangles. So this is a square, and if you fold it in half, you get a rectangle. Okay, so remember, if it's a square and you make it in half, you get a rectangle. Okay? So, which is true about a rectangle? It has 4 equal sides. 2 sides are longer than the others. It has 3 sides, A, B, or C.
has 3 sides. I choose C.
C, remember, a rectangle looks like this. So this is a rectangle and that is a rectangle. 3 sides is a triangle. That is a triangle with 3 sides. This is a rectangle. So C is incorrect. Do you want to try again? A or B?
A. It has 4 equal sides.
Remember, a square, this is a square, this has 4 equal sides. If you make a square in half, you get 2 rectangles. So the answer is B. 2 sides are longer than others. So this side and this side is longer and that side is short, okay? Then number 4, which is the last step for a paper aeroplane? A, B or C? What is the last step before you can before you can fly the aeroplane? What is the last step?
B.
Yes, well done. You have to fold the wings back and then you can throw it. Well done. Okay, let's do the visual mapping. Can you read for me, Amy, and then give me the answers, please? Amy, can you read? Can you read this and tell me the answers, please?
With a square piece of paper, fold the square in half and open it.
Yes. Then fold the right corner to the center.
Fold the right corner up to the center.
And then
Just make a triangle with 3 sides.
let's do that with the left corner and then fold the corners of the new triangle. Okay, and then
Finally, fold the wings back the other way.
fold the plane in half and fold the wings back the other way, and then it's ready to fly. Okay, good, well done. Okay, so let's quickly fill in the blanks. So the square, what do we have to do with the square? We've got to fold it in half. Fold what? The square. What do we have to do with the square? We have to fold it in half. Then 2 sides are longer than others, are longer and then others. Okay, next page. Okay, Amy, now we're going to have to unscramble the sentences. Can you do number 1 so long, please? So it's fold the card in half. Good. Okay, number 2. Can you do number 2, please, Amy? are longer than our pens. Well done. Okay, number 3, please. And number 3, Amy, remember you don't have to write the answer, just tell me the answer. What is number 3?
Fold the circle in half.
Fold the circle in half. Yes, well done. Good job. And then number 4.
My brother and I are taller than our mom.
My brother and I are taller than our mom. Well done. Yes, that is correct. Okay, well done, Amy. Okay, now we've got 2 pictures. We have to write sentences about the picture. We've got picture 1 and picture 2. That's picture 1, the treasure map, and picture 2. So, Amy, what do you see in picture 1? What do you
I
see?
see the I
What is that?
the boy the map.
And what is the boy doing with the map?
Fold the map in half.
So make the sentence, if you use this word, the treasure map, so you make a sentence with treasure map and fold in half.
The boy folds the map, the treasure map in half.
Fold the treasure map in half. Well done, yes. Okay, now in picture 2, what do you see in picture 2?
Picture 2 is tree love are taller. Tree love than two love.
Yes, well done. 3 logs are shorter than the others. So that's 1, 2, 3 logs are shorter than those. Well done, Amy. Good job. Okay, now we've got a picture. We have to write sentences about the picture. So, sentence number 1 is about the old man. And what is the old man doing? What is the old man doing?
Old man is for the news info.
Well done. Fold the newspaper in half. Good job. And then picture the sentence number 2 is what are they doing with the letter?
For the
Yes, fold the letter in half. Good. So they want to put the letter in the envelope and then they want to put it in the post box. Sentence number 3, what is the girl doing? 3 lines
Penis is
are,
shorter than other.
yeah, 3 lines are short, or 2 lines are longer than the others. 2 lines are longer than the others. Okay. And then number 4 is this one, the boys and the girls. And are the boys shorter or taller than the girls?
The boy is taller than the
Okay, let's see.
The boy are taller than.
Yes, well done. The boys are taller than the girls. Perfect. Good job. Okay, let's look at the picture. So I'm gonna play the, and you must listen, and then you must try and remember, okay?
I need a square piece of paper.
Just cut this rectangular piece.
Where should I cut it?
Fold the bottom corner to make a triangle. Unfold it to make a square.
Okay, so complete the dialogue. I need, what does he need? I need a square piece of paper. This is a square. And then it says just cut it in half. Just cut this rectangular piece. Where should I cut it? Then fold the bottom corner to make a triangle. Unfold it to make a square. Okay. Okay, so what do you see in picture 1, Amy? What is the girl thinking? She's got a piece of paper in her hand, and what does she want to do with the piece of paper? What does the girl want to make with a piece of paper?
Kunjun can make a crane with paper.
Yes, she wants to make a bird with paper. And then picture 2, what do you think the girl wants to make with the paper? What does she want to do with the paper?
Fold the paper. Fold the paper to make flower.
Yes.
Amy can make a rose with paper.
Yes, she wants to make a rose with paper. Well done, Amy. That's very good of you. Okay, Amy, we are finished today. Your lesson went very well. Well done. And I'll speak to you soon. Okay. Goodbye.